welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Ter nut milk maker soup maker. So many of you may have seen this go viral on TikTok, and I did purchase one. I've had it for a minute now, but I just decided I'd go ahead and do an unboxing because it is something that I do plan on using very soon. And you can make your own milk, whether it be oat milk, almond milk, rice milk, whatever type of milk that you want to make, cashew milk. For me, I'll be making oat milk because I do have a nut allergy, so I bought it solely for that purpose. But from what I know, this has many different uses. So I did get it in the black color because that's aesthetic to what my appliances are in my kitchen. So here we go. I'm going to unbox it, and it's a pretty large box. So I'm just trying to get it out. And here it is. Here it is. So I probably will keep the box until I'm ready to use it. But this is what it looks like. And it has the instruction. And it comes with all the bells and whistles. Here is the instruction booklet. Right here. It also comes with a little manual. It comes with a strainer because you want to sift the milk. And I'm not sure what this is. It's a bag. It looks like a little storage bag or something. So I'll be using that. This is a brush. It seems like it would be to like clean it out. And that's all that's in the packaging. So again, this is by the brand Ter. And it says dairy-free recipe book. And again, here's a look at it. It has a plug in the back. And I think that might be what's missing, the plug. Unless it's on the inside. It may be. But I'm pretty sure I have one of these plugs. But that's my unboxing for this. Now I have another item for you guys. Another unboxing that I'm doing. And this is from a black-owned, woman-owned coffee company. And I am an avid, I mean, when I say avid, I'm an avid coffee drinker. And this company is called Diversn. And look at the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. The way, and the little add-ons, the little additionals they sent. So first I'm going to start with the coffee. And this is their limited edition 19th Amendment coffee. I can't wait to try this. Oh my God. And it smells delicious. I just love the smell of coffee. And they also gave me, what is this? Dried fruit in this little bag. I can't wait to try all the things. I really can't wait to try all the things. They gave me this Jamaican rum coffee syrup, 2 of those. And they even gave me a little cup that I can use it in my Keurig. I can take some of the coffee grinds and put it in my Keurig. How neat is that? I just thought that was so neat. I have to go on their website to see if I can order more of these, because in the mornings when I have coffee, maybe once or twice a week, I might brew a whole pot. If I'm having coffee alone, but sometimes I just want it quick and easy, and I will do my K-cup. And I usually brew it in my Ninja pots. I graduated from Keurig to Ninja. I'm a Ninja appliance lover, so that's what I graduated to. But I just can't get over this packaging. It is just so beautiful. This will be a box that I would definitely keep. So I want to thank you all for joining me. This was a very chill and relaxed day. When I'm in the house, I don't tend to unwrap my hair. I will keep it like this. I have many different head ties. I wear a lot of leisure clothing around the house. I work my businesses from home. I am technically retired, so I wear a lot of leisure clothing around the house, and I'll keep my hair tied up. So you'll see a lot of these, and when I go out, then that's when I get dressed. But again, I want to thank you all for tuning back into my channel, Day by Day with Kimber Renee. And please remember to like, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys later. Keep it gorgeous. Bye.